Learn how to use Livemote Teleport to create an augmented reality video tutorial in 1 minute. Start the app and look around to enable the tracking, and press the red button to start video recording as soon as you are ready. Select the sketch tool. Choose your favorite color and the brush size and start drawing. Change the brush color. Move around freely. And let Livemote Teleport do the magic, keeping your drawing stick to the real world. Add all the details that you need, and stop the recording as soon as you're satisfied pressing the red button. The video will be saved automatically to your camera roll. The augmented video could be shared through your favorite apps. Your contacts will receive your video directly in their messaging app. And they could open it as usual. So, what are you waiting for? Download Livemote Teleport now, and start recording augmented video tutorials today, for free.